अस्सलाम वालेकुम जी, माय नेम इज़ नूर फातिमा और आज सतरंग में हमारा शो था। सो दीज आर माय पीसेस, दिस इज़ बेसिकली अबाउट डिफरेंट रियलिटीज़। सो मेरा कॉन्सेप्ट ये है कि एक आपकी जो यूनिवर्स एग्जिस्ट कर रही है, उसके साथ ही डिफरेंट यूनिवर्सेस और भी एग्जिस्ट कर रही हैं। सो लाइक इस पेंटिंग के अंदर नीचे जो है मैंने हमारी एग्जिस्टिंग यूनिवर्स बनाई है और ऊपर जो है वो डिफरेंट प्लेन्स ऑफ एग्जिस्टेंस हैं जिनमें और रियलिटीज़ एग्जिस्ट कर रही हैं।
Well, my work is about how the displacement has affected human and the maps and the people there in their life. I have displayed Quetta and Balochistan's different places and different maps, and I'm playing with them. And each and every dot in my work represent the density of the population present there.
मेरा काम एक्चुअली कोविड टाइम्स में ये डेवलप हुआ है, क्योंकि हम सब घर में थे और मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा जो सब कॉन्टिनेंट के शायर हैं उनसे बहुत ज़्यादा इंस्पिरेशन है। और जो फैज़ साहब की जो एक नज़्म है चश्मे नम जाने शुरीदा, उसको मैंने इसमें डिपिक्ट किया है कि एक वाइल्ड सोल और चश्मे नम दोनों चीज़ों का इम्तिजाज है मेरी इस पेंटिंग में। तो आपको जो कलर्स नज़र आ रहे हैं ये अर्थ के हैं कि सब कॉन्टिनेंट ओन करती है बहुत ज़्यादा एक पोइटिक विरसे को। तो मैंने उसको अपनी पेंटिंग्स में रिफ़्लेक्ट किया है कि हम और वो जो सारे शायर गुज़र चुके हैं वो एक म्यूचुअल स्पेस शेयर करते हैं, जो कि मैंने अपने काम में दिखाया है। बहुत ज़्यादा इंस्पायर हूँ मैं सब कॉन्टिनेंट के शुअरा से और उनको पढ़ती भी रहती हूँ। तो मेरे काम में वो एक लिरिकल, एक सिंबॉलिक और एक बहुत ज़्यादा फ्लोई लाइंस आपको नज़र आएंगी। मैं इन्हीं पे मैंने काम किया। थैंक यू।
ईमान पीरज़ादा, फातिन सुलेमान, जैस्मिन माइकल, कोमल नदीम, माहा मसूद, महानूर असद, नमूना रियाज, नूर फातिमा, शफक हामिद, सुंदस असफर, वजीहा बतूल, ज़ारा जतूल and Shazray Sayyed. So a big congratulations to all of you. We are very proud of you and thank you all for being here. Your support means a lot. And I would also like to now ask Mr. Bulani, Aziz Bulani, to please come and talk about the gallery. And it's Mr. Bulani's support that has kept the gallery going.
Thank you, Asma. Assalamu alaikum and good evening. Trust me, today is the most satisfying day for me when it comes to Satrang Gallery. If Asma would recall, in 2012, if I'm not mistaken, I told her that we would like to put up a platform from where we are able to promote our young and talented artists. And from there onwards, she has done extremely well. And today, depicting the artwork of 17 artists who have been affiliated with Satrang Gallery, who have been trained on this gallery, and portraying their projects today. Honestly, you have satisfied me, you have kept me happy, and particularly looking at all of you, you have grown over a period of time. And if you look at the artists, my recollection is you are the one who joined in 2013. Sorry, I missed your name. Zofisha. And from 2013 onward, they have been, one way or other, they have been affiliated with Satrang Gallery. Credit goes to Asma, credit goes to all of you. And this platform has been created to showcase the work of the talented people. Because Pakistan is full of talented people. What our young talents need is a platform and hand holding for a short while. Like you all on an average have worked for a year, year and a half, 2 years. But to me, though, that was the time for hand holding and providing the platform which builds your confidence, which builds your understanding on the audience also, because many a time when you do your work, you keep the audience also in mind and your own inspiration also. So well done, all of you, mashallah. 17 is a very good number. And I was telling Asma that she has become mother to all of you because the way she has built up your confidence, the way she has worked with you. So, but thank you very much for the audience also because without audience we would not have been able to continue. So this is the only gallery which never sleeps. It's 365 days, 7 days a week, 24 hours a day, 365 days a year, and has not been to bed since 2012. So it's a great thing, 11 years, and mashallah will continue to depict. And this is one of the only area we are sharing. We have a number of initiatives. They are all focused on community service. We call this as a part of community service because this provides a platform and there are talents in sports, in culture, in art, in all areas. And we will inshallah try to play our role till the time this institution is there and will promote our own people and connect it to the right audience. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you, Aziz. Zara, can I ask you to speak on the show?
Hi everybody, thank you so much for coming. I'm so proud and happy about this show. Our assistant curators have been our very heart and soul, I think. And they've always been two at a time, and me, working with different artists, working on different exhibitions, and their advice, their work ethic, their love has been so remarkable, and they're all so talented, so it's such a pleasure to be able to show you the work that they've been working on all of these years. Each of them, from Zara Jadoon to Memuna Reyaz, Shafak, all of them have so many skills. And they're printmakers, they're sculptors, they're ceramists, they're painters, and their understanding of the arts is so vast, and their friendships with different artists have been so great, and that too is one of the reasons why Satrang Gallery is able to serve the artist community and all of you so well, because we have had the support of so many of them. Thank you guys. This is a wonderful show, and I'm so proud of all of you. Thank you.
Thank you, Zara. And can I ask Mr. Otto, the general manager of the Serena Hotel, get a lot of support from him and his team. So thank you. Would you like to...
Ladies and gentlemen, good evening. Welcome to Serena Hotel. I'm not going to talk about this beautiful art today. I'm going to talk quickly about my day. When I woke up today in the morning, I walked down into my hotel, or into the hotel, and I was greeted by a number of pop-ups. They were put on a staircase. And then when I walked into the ballroom, there was actually an opening speech given by the British High Commissioner. And he talked about Pakistan's next generation. He talked about the fact that Pakistan today, with 224 million, will be double in size in 2050. On the one side, I think he also said it, that's a scary thought. On the other side, it's a beautiful potential thought. Because, as I told you, on all those pop-ups, there were faces of people. There were faces of women. There were faces of young women defining Pakistan's future. And if I see the faces of those young women here, and the beautiful, now I had to talk about art here on the wall, I think that is also well defining futures. So thank you very much for being our guests tonight. Thank you very much for honoring those artists for what they have achieved. We have a small cocktail outside, and please do enjoy this evening. Thank you.
Okay, group photo, please.